the heart of Wisconsin, where the river bends and whispers tales of old, lies a secret waiting to be discovered. Petenwell Bluff, where ancient forests guard the stories of the land. A sanctuary for creatures big and small, this is a realm where nature reigns supreme. Journey through winding trails, climb to heights that promise views beyond imagination, and let the soul of Wisconsin captivate you. But as the river meanders, it beckons with another invitation. At the foot of the dam, a world of fishing adventures unfolds. Dive deep into tales of the ones that got away and the ones that didn't. Challenge yourself against the river's finest. From the vibrant bass to the majestic muskie, every day is a new story waiting to be told. Petenwell is more than just a destination. It's a backdrop for memories that span generations. As day turns to night and the stars light up the canvas above, Petenwell Bluff stands as an eternal witness to nature's grandeur. Your journey begins here. Unearth the magic, embrace the wonder, and let Wisconsin's heartland enchant you.